Hello, everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And write a comment for us. Today, heavy bag. I walk to school. I carry my bag. Step, step, heavy.
Big bag. Small Jane. Heavy bag. Hard work.
I stop. I move the bag. Left shoulder. Still heavy. I walk again. Step, step. Too heavy.
Time to check. Open the bag. Look inside. Maybe too much.
I sit on a bench. I open my bag. Zip. Let's see. I take out one book. Big book. Heavy book. Wow. I take out another book. And another. And another. So many!
Bookshop bag. Not school bag. Library bag. Huge.
I look more. Water bottle. Big bottle. Heavy too. I take out snacks. Chips. Cookies. Many snacks.
Important snacks. Books. Snacks. Full bag.
I laugh. Too many things. Too heavy. Okay. I remove some books. I close the bag. Carry again. Better. I carry my bag again. Lighter now. Step. Step. Better. Then I hear a sound. Small sound. Tap. Tap.
Strange sound. From the bag. Tap. Tap. Mystery.
I stop again. I open the bag. Look inside. What? I move the books. Snacks. Bottle. More. Then I see it. Small toy. Yellow duck. What?
Duck in the bag. Books. Snacks. Duck.
I take it out. Yellow duck. Small duck. Why? Then I remember. Oh, my little cousin. Yes.
Secret solved. Not magic. Just family. Duck gift.
I press the duck. Squeak. Funny sound. Cute.
Heavy bag. Surprise duck. Good day. Nice.
I put the duck back. Close bag. Walk again. Smiling. I walk in the park. Bag on my back. Yellow duck inside. Funny. Then, squeak. Small duck sound. Oh!
Duck again. Books. Snacks. Duck sound.
Two children stop. They look at my bag. What? I open the bag a little. Yellow duck. Small duck. Hello.
Big moment. Small duck. Big smiles. Nice.
The girl laughs. Cute duck. Happy face. Wow. The boy smiles too. Can it talk? Small question. I press the duck. Squeak. Funny sound. Yes.
Duck show now. Park. Children. Audience.
The children laugh. Big smiles. Happy sounds. Nice. I smile too. Heavy bag. Funny duck. Good day. I hold the duck. Small duck. Yellow duck. Cute. The boy points. I want to carry it. Big smile. please?
Oh no. One duck? Many children. Problem.
Then the girl says, "Me too. My turn." Fast. Another child comes. "Me too." Small hands up. Everyone.
Big duck star now. Children smile. Hands everywhere. Chaos.
I laugh. Okay. One by one. Easy. The boy carries the duck. Small walk. Happy face. Fun. Then the girl carries it. Careful hands. Small smile. Nice.
Heavy bag before. Happy park now. Very different. Funny day.
I put the duck back. Close bag. Wave goodbye. Cute children. I wave goodbye. Children smile. Park happy. Nice. Then I look at the time. My eyes open. Oh no. Late!
Not again. Duck time? No bus time. Trouble.
I run fast. Bag moves. Step, step. Step, step. Fast. I see the bus. Big bus. Door closing. Wait.
Big moment. Run. Bus. Close.
I wave my hand. Wait! Please, stop! The bus moves. Slow first, then gone. Missed.
Bus wins again. Jane 0. Bus 1. Rematch.
I stop running. Big breath. Tired. I look at my bag. Duck inside. Quiet now. Your fault.
Not the duck's fault. Maybe little fault. Small duck. Big problem.
I smile. Missed bus. Happy day. Okay. I sit at the bus stop. Missed bus. Tired legs. Okay. I look at the street. Cars go. People walk. Calm.
Missed bus. Bad thing. Maybe not. Wait.
Then I smell food. Warm bread. Sweet smell. I look left. Small bakery. Open door. New.
New place. No bus. But bakery. Good trade.
I smile. I walk there. Step, step. Nice. Inside is warm. Bread. Cakes. Wow. A woman smiles at me. Fresh cookies. Today's special. Welcome.
See? Missed bus. Cookie win. Better.
I laugh. Maybe true. No bus. Good day. I buy one cookie. Warm cookie. Happy smile. Nice. I hold the cookie. Warm cookie. Sweet smell. Nice. I take money out. Small coins. One cookie. Okay.
Cookie time. Warm shop. Good smell. Peaceful.
The woman smiles. She puts the cookie in a bag. Then another cookie. Wait. I look again. 2 cookies, not one. Huh?
Plot twist. 1 cookie. Now 2. Lucky.
I point. 2 cookies? Small voice. Why? The woman laughs softly. 1 free cookie for your smile. Nice.
Small kindness. Missed bus. Free cookie. Balance.
I smile bigger. Warm cookie. Warm words. Good feeling. I say, "Thank you. Very nice. Really."
Funny day. Heavy bag. Missed bus. Free cookie.
I laugh softly. Bad things, good things. Same day. I sit near the window. 1 cookie, 2 cookies. I eat 1 cookie. Warm, sweet, very good.
1 cookie left. Keep it or share. Choice.
I look outside. Buses go. People wait. Bus driver. I laugh softly. Maybe for the bus driver? Why not?
The same driver? The driver who left without Jane. Interesting.
I smile. Yes, maybe him. Okay. I hold the cookie bag. Warm cookie. Small gift. Nice.
Missed bus. Free cookie. Now gift. Strange day.
I stand up. Cookie in hand, small smile. Let's see. Funny day. Heavy bag. Missed bus. Free cookie. And now, one question. When you have food, do you share it with other people? Maybe cookies, maybe snacks, maybe lunch? Tell us. If this story made you smile, give the video a like. Join us again with a subscribe. And write your answer in the comments. Do you share food with people?
We will see you in the next story. Bye, everyone.